6 ways men can escape poverty. Welcome to Getting Better Daily. Number 1. No productive things. If you keep too much junk in your head, you get a junk life. I know a lot of men who are so sharp when you're talking about girls, about soccer and about street politics. Who is rich and who is not? Who has a good house, but you can't bring a topic about investment, innovation and business. They start looking at their phones, yawning or saying bye. Useless things, videos and memes go viral faster than constructive things. A man must know how to do at least one productive thing, have one skill, even without having gone to college. 2. Get connected to big men who are better than you. A lot of men are failing because they are not mentored. They don't have anyone to whom they can sit down and listen with obedience. In the old days, old men would sit young men down and show them how to hunt and kill animals. And no man was considered man enough until he has personally killed an animal. Now, these men of nowadays are not mentored and can't even kill a bird. There are men out there who have made it in life. Find a way to get mentored by big men who are making waves and impacting people in our community. 3. Stop being lazy. Yes, man oh man, why art thou lazy? You are too lazy for your own good. You sleep the whole day and blame the government for your poverty. A little sleep, a little slumber, poverty shall overtake you like political cadre in overalls. A lot of men are just lazy when it comes to making money. They have enough energy to give a woman 5 orgasms, but have no energy to start one organization. That is why it is easy for men to manufacture children than it is to make even pegs for putting children's clothes on the line. 4. Get the right woman. Forget the slay queens and women with looks but zero brains. Get a woman who will not only support your vision, but will also push you to achieve more. A woman who will inspire you to work hard and not a woman who just makes you hard. He who finds a real woman finds a good thing and obtains favor and power to create wealth. 5. Work. Stop spending your whole day just praying and fasting, yet you know that all holy books tells you that God will bless the work of your hands. Yes, the blessings finds you on your way doing something. Stop using prayer as an excuse not to work. Work hard. It's an error for your pockets to be empty and your brains to be empty too. 6. Stop taking cheap drinks. I have no problem with having drinks during social interaction and networking. However, when you drink cheap drinks or drink in cheap places, you hang out with cheap people who have cheap ideas and a cheap future. Big business opportunities are found in places where the drinks are expensive. In fact, in places where they sell cheap drinks, the only people you will find there are people who will be asking you for money. They even clap when you come knowing big buyer has arrived. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment and subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Keep getting better and have a nice day.